Welcome to Wealth Up, a channel about personal finance and building wealth. April 2022 was a rough month in the markets. We continue to see high inflation, gas continues to be expensive, public companies reported their numbers for the first quarter of 2022. It's not looking very good, and tech is really taking a hit. The concern about a recession is stronger than previous months, and the economy is starting to really struggle. Even with everything going on, it is still important to monitor how you are doing financially. For me, I keep track of my net worth and calculate it every month. I share it with you all so you can see how there are ups and downs, but how it's important to continue to stick to your plan and make progress based on your individual goals. Okay, let's move on to net worth. Net worth is a way to measure your financial health. Net worth is the difference between the value of your assets and your liabilities or debts. Assets are anything you own of value: house, cars, jewelry, investments, or cash. And liabilities or debts are any money that you owe. This includes your mortgage, any car loans, student loans, credit card debt. If you are making a monthly payment anywhere, this should be included here. What I recommend is to make a simple spreadsheet in Excel or Google Sheets and keep track of them all. Once you have a template made, it's very easy to go in and update it regularly. Your net worth does not define you, but it can be used to see how you are making progress over time. The number itself is also not very telling. It is more useful to have the number in context and to track it over time. You want to see your net worth to be growing, or become less negative if that is your situation. It is also important to not compare your number to my numbers or anyone else's numbers. You should be comparing it to your previous numbers and to your targets. Everyone is in a different stage of life, has different priorities, and started from a different place, making it unfair to compare the value itself. For me, my assets include my house, a rental property, which is combined into a real estate bucket here, my car, investments, and cash. Now let's see what the value of my assets were for April 2022. For real estate, this totaled $498,000. The value of my car is $16,000. My investments are $252,000, and I have $64,500 in cash. Adding all of these up brings the total value of my assets to $830,500. Let's take a moment to review how this compares to last month. My real estate has lost a bit of appreciation compared to last month. It's not surprising since the appreciation in March was the highest I can remember. My car did not change in value. My investments went down. These past 2 weeks have been rough. Even with the down market, I continue to invest as planned. I'm taking advantage of the down market and buying at a discount. My cash savings went up this month because I added more money into my sinking funds. But I am done adding to the sinking funds for the year, so these will decrease for the remainder of the year. Looking at my assets for both months, you can see that it has gone down substantially. This is a difference of $24,400. This is how much value I've lost just in the month of April. However, these are only paper losses because I am not selling anything, meaning I actually haven't lost this value, at least not until I sell. Moving on to my debts. For me, my debts include my mortgage and the mortgage on the rental property. Again, all of these are noted in one category, and my student loans. If you have any credit card debt or any other debts, this is where you would include them. For April, my mortgages for both properties totaled $336,800, and my student loans were $12,000. This brings my total debt to $348,800. Let's compare this to March. You can see that I paid off $1,000 from the mortgages and made no student loan payments. My student loans, like for many people, remain in forbearance until the end of August. The month-to-month change totaled $1,000. Next, let's move on to calculate my net worth by simply subtracting the two factors, that is, the value of my assets at $830,500 minus my liabilities, which totaled $348,800. Doing this simple subtraction lets me calculate my net worth, which totaled $481,700. This means my net worth for April 2022 was $481,700. This is a decrease from March, where my net worth was over $500,000. In total, this decrease was $23,400. Are you tracking your net worth? How did it go for you this month? No matter where you are on your journey, stay on track, follow your financial plan, and stay motivated. As always, thank you for watching until the end. Remember to hit the like button if you have enjoyed the content, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. If you want to see regular content, you could add me on Instagram at wealth_up. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.